Tuesday, September the 8th. Hopefully you've had a chance to watch this first video that says how to use Google Sheets, and you're currently watching this second video on how to do the first two problems. Okay, so once you're done watching this second video, you're going to go up here to My Document. You're going to click on it. It will open up a Google Sheet for you. Okay, now you can't see this entire Google Sheet, so it would probably be best to click on this Edit button. And when you click on the Edit button, it opens it up so you see the entire sheet in a separate window. Okay, so example number 1, it says shade the model to represent the decimal. And here I have 0.5. I want to type the verbal description here. So I click on the box, and 0.5 is really said 5/10 using proper math language. So I'm going to type in 5/10. And so 5/10 is 5 out of 10. So when I'm looking at this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I want to shade 5 out of those 10. So I'm only going to highlight 5 and shade 5 out of those 10. So you're going to click on this fill color, and I'm going to fill it in red. You can fill it in any color. And so now I have 5 out of 10 shaded. So as a fraction, that would be 5 over 10, or 5 out of 10. So looking at the second one, I have 0.75. The correct way to say this is 75 hundredths. So I'm going to put that description there. And so I have 75 hundredths. And now when I'm looking, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 10 squares that go across, and it goes 10 down. So if it's 10 by 10, that's 100 squares, and I need 75 out of those 100. 75 hundredths is 75 out of 100. So if I highlight the first 10, and so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I only have 70 highlighted right now. I'm going to fill those in red. So right now what I have is 70 hundredths, but I need 75 hundredths. So I'm going to highlight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and highlight those red as well. So now I have 75 out of 100. So on this third one, you've got to be careful, because when we're looking at this, hopefully you can refer back to example 1 and look at the proper way to say this. But I have 100 squares, and that's not 2 out of 100. It's 2 out of 10. So figure out how I could shade this to represent 2 out of 10. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. You need to complete all 4 examples and submit this assignment to me by going back into Schoology and click Submit Assignment.